In this example, we're going to do an English to metric conversion. Let's begin by using the abbreviations for the units instead of using the words miles and kilometers. The abbreviation for miles is MI, and the abbreviation for kilometers, where kilo is the prefix and meters is the base unit, is km. We have 28 miles, and we want to know how many kilometers 28 miles would represent. We know that 1 mile is equal to 1.61 kilometers. Notice that there is a space between the number and the unit. But let's change miles to kilometers using a conversion factor. A conversion factor is based on the concept of fractions. For example, let's look at the fraction 3/4. If I multiplied by 2/2, which is really the number 1, I get 6/8. The 2/2 is our conversion factor. The numerator and the denominator are the same amount. That means that 3/4 times 1, even though it is still 3/4, multiplying by the conversion factor 2/2 expresses 3/4 as 6/8. So 6/8 and 3/4 represent the same amount. Let's take 28 miles and set it over 1 to write it as a fraction. I need to multiply by a conversion factor that is equivalent to 1. If miles is the unit in the numerator, I'm going to put miles in the denominator and kilometers in the numerator. In order for the conversion factor to equal 1, I need equal amounts. Since 1 mi, miles, is equal to 1.61 km, kilometers, 1 mi is in the denominator and 1.61 km is in the numerator. The mi over mi equals 1. So those units cancel out. This means the units for my answer will be km. Using our calculator, we have 28 times 1.61 equals 45.08. Therefore, 28 miles equals 45.08 kilometers, and 28 miles is approximately 45 kilometers.